Great is God. God gives food to the plants, animals, amphibians, water, uh, clothing, shelter to the entire universe. Great is God, for He provides to all kinds, whether it's a lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, buffalo, wildebeest, deers, hens, peacocks, birds, vultures, humans, women, children, feeds from breasts. Great you are God, you feed all kinds, and even trees survive because you give them water. You provide water to the cactus which is born in the deserts. Great you are, O God, you give food to the insects in the deserts, to the reptiles in the deserts, to the camels walking through deserts and drinking water at the oases. Great is God Almighty, known as Adonai Elohim and Ehi Asher Ehi and Allah. Great you are. Your name is also known as God Almighty and God. I bow down to you, O God. God also provides foods to fishes, reptiles such as crocodiles, tortoise, and God provides foods to chameleons and any and all kinds of animals. Great you are, God. Great. I bow down to you again and again, God.